Okay, good morning. So, sa mga nagtatanong sa GC on how to solve the percentage composition, tsaka sa mga nag-PPM, so nagawa na ako ng video tutorial. So, percentage composition, what are the learning objectives? By the end of this section, you will be able to first compute the percent composition of a compound from experimental mass. So, you need to identify sa problem kung may given mass that is in grams. And then second, compute the percent composition of a compound from its chemical formula. So, ibig sabihin, kung walang given mass or grams in a problem, you need to get the number of molecules of each element in a chemical formula. For example, H2O. So, how many molecules are there in H2O? So, we have 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. So, those are the two processes on how to get the percentage composition. So dito, in this previous section, we discussed the relationship between the bulk mass of a substance and the number of atoms or molecules it contains. Sabi natin, in one molecule, this equivalent of 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 at 23rd power atoms, molecules, formula unit, or elementary particles. So, ngayon, ang tanong, kapag ang chemical formula of a substance is unknown, so how will you solve for the percentage composition? So, we have here the given general formula. So, we will get the percent composition of the hydrogen and carbon. So, how to get that? So, percentage composition of hydrogen is equivalent to mass of the hydrogen divided by mass of the compound times 100%. And for the carbon, percentage composition of carbon is equal to mass of the carbon divided by the mass of the compound times 100%. So, meron tayo ditong given problem. Actually, this problem is the easiest one kasi given na lahat ng kailangan natin, which is what? From our first objective, there should be experimental mass measurements. So, meron tayo ditong 2.5 grams of hydrogen and 7.5 grams of carbon. And we have 10 grams all in all, the summation of the mass of the compound. So, kung hindi given yung 10 grams, all we have to do is to add the 2.5 grams of hydrogen and 7.5 grams of carbon, and we will get 10 grams. So, how to get the percentage composition of hydrogen? So, percentage composition of hydrogen is equal to 2.5 grams of hydrogen. Saan to nakuha? So, from the problem, we have 2.5 grams of hydrogen. Bring it down from our general formula divided by 10 grams of the compound. So, saan nakuha yun? From the problem din. Kung sabi ko sa inyo kanina, kung hindi given, all you have to do is to get the summation of the grams or mass of the two compounds. So, bakit compound ang nakalagay dito? Kasi hindi pa natin na-identify kung anong compound yan in terms of the number of molecules. So, multiply it by 100%, so we will get 25%. Same with the percentage composition of the carbon. 7.5 grams of the carbon. So, saan to nakuha? So, we get it from the problem, 7.5 grams of the carbon divided by 10 grams of the summation of the compound. So, 7.5 divided by 10 grams times 100, we will get 75%. So, if you will add the percentage composition of both compounds, we will get 100%. So, kapag hindi 100% ang nakuha natin, ibig sabihin, mali ang computation natin. So, another problem.